Hello friends, this is tutorial number 8 in this Java design pattern course. In this tutorial we will talk about abstract factory. I will show you how with one abstract factory can create different objects. Let's create one new package. It will be, we are going in order, package 08. And we will create the same classes as we have in the previous tutorial. We'll create one abstract class car with one abstract void function create, and also we will create derived classes BMW, it will extend a car. Let's implement a create function. First we need to save, then let's implement the function. We will just write BMW create a function. And let's create two more derived classes. Audi. This will be the same, like this part will be the same like in previous tutorial. Let's save and let's implement a function create. We'll just print Audi create function. And also let's create Toyota. It will also extend a car. And implementation we will write Toyota create function. Okay, that was great. Now we need to create one more abstract class. The name of the class will be color. It will also be abstract class, and it will have one abstract void function. It will be paint. Now let's create some derived classes. It will be red. It will extend a color, and let's implement a function. And we will write some sentence, painting in a red color. That would be nice. Now let's create two more colors. Blue. It will also extend a color. And we will write painting in blue color, and let's create one more derived class of the class color. It will be black. it will extend a color, and let's implement a paint function. Painting in black color. That will be great. Now we have two abstract classes, car and color, and we have three derived classes of car and three derived classes of color. Now we want to create one more abstract class, and the name of this class, it will be abstract factory class. It will be abstract, and it will have two public, or it can be abstract functions. We will have get color function and get car function. Let's create get color. It will return a color, and the name of the function will be get color, and it will have a parameter string. It will be the name of the color. We will write color name, the name of the parameter. And also let's create abstract car function. It will be get car, and as a parameter it will have car brand. Okay, let's save. And now we will need two derived classes, color factory and the car factory, and we will implement these two abstract functions. Let's create new class. First will be color factory, and it will, this color factory, it should produce some color, and it needs to extend abstract factory. Now let's save it, and let's implement functions. As you can see, we have get color function, which will return a color, and get car, which should return a car. This is a color factory. We will not produce any car here, and this get car function will be the same. It will return null. And here let's redefine this get color function. First, what we will do, we can use if else, and also we can use a switch case. Here I will use a switch case, and first I will change this color name will be equals. I will change it to, I will convert it in uppercase. And after that, let's call switch statement. Of course, if you want, you can do like in the previous tutorial, you can use if else. It's completely the same. We will switch color name, and now let's check some cases. Case red, as we already converted it to uppercase, we will use uppercase as a parameter. Case red, it will return new red. Okay, because we have return, we don't need break. And if we have, in case the color is red, it will just return a new object red, and the function will be over. We don't need to break it. Now let's try with another cases. Case blue, it will return new blue. Case black, it will return new black. If any of these cases is not good, we need to write a default case. In the default case, we will just return null. And that will be fine. Now let's use Ctrl Shift and F, and it's okay. Okay, as I already explained, we will not create. Just a second to save it. We will not create a car here because it's just a color. It is just a color factory. Now we will create another class. It will be car factory. And it will also extend abstract factory. And let's implement the functions. We have a get color which return null, and we will left it as it is. This is a car factory. We will just produce a car. And we have a car brand as a parameter. And let me delete this. Let's redefine this car brand will be equals, let's convert it to uppercase. It will be easier. And now we can switch car brand. And let's create some cases. It will be the same like we have in the previous class, but now we will just use cars as cases. First, let's try with BMW. It will just return new BMW. Case Audi, we will just return new Audi. Case Toyota, we will return new Toyota. And also we need a default case. If any of these cases is not good, we will just return null. Let's Ctrl Shift and F. Let's save it, and we will just need one more class to produce, where we need to define what we will produce. Will it be car or will it be color of any another object? Let me just close these classes. We will call this class producer. We'll produce some objects, and now it will have one public function it will return abstract factory, but we need to know which factory will be. We need a get factory function, and we need one parameter which will be string. It will be the same thing like we had in the color and the car factory, but in this case we want to know will be factory of what? Will be a color, will be a car, or in the case if we have computer class, will it be computer? It will be type. And we will do the same. First let's convert this type equals type. Let's convert it to uppercase to prevent case sensitive. Now let's switch this type case. We have just two objects here. Case color, it will return if type is color, it will return a new color factory. If case is car, it will return new car factory. And we need the default case. It will return null. And this get factory function, it simply can be static to be more easy to create. That will be all. Now let's close it, and I will close this abstract factory too. Okay, we have too many classes here. Let's create application class with main function. And first thing that we want to create a producer. But it's abstract. Just a second. We have created this function is static. Let's try to create without abstract factory will be the name, and which factory will be. It will be color factory. Let's create first, but we have color factory class. Maybe it's better to be color producer. And how we will define it? Let's call producer class, and our function get factory is already a static. And we can write, we will define it with producer get factory, and we need a type. Will it be car or color? It's a color producer, and in this case we will write a color. It is not case sensitive, and it should work. Now we simply want, and also we want to create. We will also create another abstract factory. Let's create car producer. will be equals to producer, and let's get factory, and it will be a car. Now we have two abstract factories, one for color and one for car. Let's create a color first. Color, we will call it color 1 equals, and we have already color producer, and we will call get color function, and let's write red. And now we can simply call paint function from color 1 that we have created. Now let's test this to see if it will work properly. Painting in red color. We have seen successfully created a red color, and in the same way we can create two colors more. Here will be color number 2, and it will be blue, and also we need to call a paint function from color number 2. Here will be color number 3, and it will be black. Of course it will not be case sensitive, and we will call a paint function from color 3 object. Now all colors that we have created should be displayed. Of course we can create color number 4, and it will be gray. And of course if we run this, our program will crash because we don't have gray color. It can be prevented, like I explained you in the previous tutorial. You can throw some exception or surround with a try and catch to prevent your program to crash, but for now I will just comment it, and I will just now let's try a car producer to see if it will work properly. It works on the same way. Car number 1 equals to car producer. We will just use get car function. We have BMW, and we will just call create function from car number 1. And also let's create another two cars. We have Audi and Toyota car. Just a second, let me paste once more, then I will change. Here will be car number 2, and it will be Audi, and here will be car number 2. We will call a create function from car number 2. Here will be car number 3, and it will be Toyota, and we will call create function from car number 3. Now we should have all these three colors again displayed, and also we should have a create function from BMW, Audi and Toyota. We will see if it will work properly. It works like a charm. As you can see, BMW create function, Audi create function, Toyota create function. We have successfully created a couple of colors, couple of cars. The same way we can create many different objects using abstract factory. I really hope that you understand it, and I really hope that you like this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram. You have a link in the description, and I will see you in the next tutorial.